Hello guys. Today is the second day of our Java. So install Java development kits. Okay, JDK. So this is a very important part. So without this, you can do anything on Java. So for that, what do we do? So we have to go to Google, and then we have to go to here in Java. I will put this one all the information here, this one. So which is like a step by step, you can do that. Okay, on like in description I'll put this one. Okay, so easy for you guys. So and then so first what I do, go to our here, this is a Google. So go here and just type the like JDK download. So you can get like in this Oracle main official site, and just click here, then go down and down, and here is like you can download this JDK. Okay, here is a Linux, Mac, and this is a Windows. If you have a Mac, you can use this one, Linux use this one, and Windows use this one. Click this one, and here is this part. This is a main things you have to download. Okay, just click this one, and you can download this one. Okay, download anywhere, and then just save it, because I already did this one, so that's why it's easy to install. Just click, just that's it. Okay, and then when you download that, you finish the download that. So what you do, you have to set these things. Okay, for that, what you need to do, so you have to go to like in your system properties, and can found in a control, system security, system advanced system. So you have to go to uh, first of all, you have to go here and just click the E and like this, E and V side like this, just like in edit the system environment variable. Okay, just click this one, and then see here this one, and then what you do, uh, click this environment variable. Okay, and then come here, and this side you have to choose this path. Okay, here where is the path? Okay, and that is a path is here. Okay, plus path. That's good. Okay, a little bit down, I think. Yeah, here this one. Okay, just click this one and edit. So here we need that JDK file, I mean like that path, this one. So this one, where did you get this one? See here, C program files, right? Java JDK. Yeah, I have a JDK 11. Okay, so you guys can use like in a 19, 17, which one you want, so you can use that. Okay, and then that is a bean also. So I will show you this one. Just you have to just remember this. Okay, this part. So you have to come here. Okay, cancel this one, cancel this one, I cancel this one. I will go here. See here what I did. I go to like a C, right, and then program file, right, and then here is you can get Java, right, and then after that JDK install. Okay, so this is a second step, and then go to like your JDK and bin. Okay, and just select this part, copy, right, and what I said last time, so you have to do same thing here. Okay, go here environmental. Okay, then environmental variable, and little bit come here down, and path here, right, this is a path, edit, and here just this one. So just like you can edit, or you can just put the new. If you want to put the first time, you can just take new and paste here. Okay, that's it, because I have already this one here, that's why I don't have to put this one here, right? Okay, just after that, okay, and okay, and okay, that's it. So this is the way you can install the JDK. Okay, now so after install this one, you should check that is like um, install or not, right? So for that, come to like in command prompt, right? Come to command prompt and just type JDK space bar hyphen version, like this. Just click this one. Uh-oh. Okay, what happened here? JDK is not recognized. Okay, now one more time. Oh, sorry, Java, not a JDK. Java spacebar version. Sorry, spacebar is and then just like hyphen and version. Okay, so like this you can see this. See what version you have. Version is checking here. Okay, so I have 11, so that's why it's showing me like that version. This is a long-term version, so that's why is LTS. Mostly like we use like LTS, but you can use any for the like starting, no problem. Okay, so and these things if you have, so that means you install your JDK in your system. That's it. Okay, okay, that's for the today. So tomorrow we will do the next chapter, and then that is like how to do that, how to like write the syntax, something like that. I will show you tomorrow. Okay, okay, don't forget to like subscribe and like. Thank you, bye.